A recent Gallup poll shows only 54% of the U.S. adults say they drink alcohol. This is the lowest rate Gallup has recorded in nearly 90 years. Action News Now reporter Nathan Espindula shows us how this shift is impacting a local distillery.
You know, I've heard about these statistics and stuff, but I think that Chico maybe isn't suffering in that same way. My friends and I, we go out in downtown and there's people to see. There's an active nightlife here.
Isabella Fredericks has worked at the Golden Beaver Distillery Stillhouse since 2024. She believes that despite the drop in alcohol consumption nationwide, the industry is not finished.
I think that people will inevitably start drinking again. um, and so you just kind of have to wait it out. Like, alcohol has been around forever and has been banned and came back, and it's just how things go.
The Golden Beaver Distillery opened in 2020. Founder Chris Koenig says right now the alcohol industry is in a fight for survival.
There's a lot of bars that have come and gone. We're feeling the impact. Pretty much anybody that's in the business of entertainment in this town is feeling the impact.
Koenig says rising food prices play a role in the decline in drinking. He also points to tariffs and health claims as factors that affect consumer habits.
I think it's everybody came out of COVID with a hangover, kind of gotten over it. But we've also had neo-prohibitionists at work, not only in this country but worldwide, trying to affect alcohol sales, this ongoing somewhat medical myth that you take one drink of alcohol, you're exposing yourself immediately to cancer.
The Center for Disease Control and Prevention says drinks that contain alcohol do increase the risk of cancer. However, the CDC does not say people must stop drinking entirely. It recommends drinking in moderation, something Koenig agrees with. Fredericks also says the economy and a greater focus on health is shaping how people approach drinking.
Well, I think it's expensive to go out and drink for sure. And I also think that there's a lot of people who, are really trying to take care of their health or are on medication for mental health or things. And sometimes that and alcohol don't always mix.
Fredericks tells me the Golden Beaver isn't just seeing a shift in how much people are drinking, but also in what they're drinking. This Biba rice spirit that I'm holding right here is one of their best sellers. And while a normal spirit is usually over 40% alcohol, this one is just 24%.
I think that some people maybe don't like the taste of alcohol in a drink. So using a lower octane one, you get a little bit more of like a fun cocktail flavor rather than just hard alcohol. And maybe you don't want to get like a crazy buzz off of one whiskey drink. So you get a little lower octane one and you can build up over the night.
Koenig says being both a bar and a manufacturer has helped the Golden Beaver stay afloat. And despite record low drinking numbers, he believes the industry will survive.
Alcohol is going to be here forever. It started when man ate that first, fermented berry off the bush. And I think alcohol will continue to be the drug of choice for a long time, just because it's so ingrained in our species.
In Chico, Nathan Espindula, Action News Now.
Gallup says declines in alcohol consumption do not appear to be driven by people shifting to other mood-altering substances, including recreational marijuana, which is now illegal in about half of the United States.